That was more trendy than the fidget spinner. Flare! Oh, dang it.
Oh my!
Oh God. Give me knuckles.
Twice.
My man.
Once again.
Okay, so we're doing one of those weird, crazy ideas today. Obviously, I got no grip tape on. I went to the store. I was looking around for something that might work, and I think I figured something out. We got mirrors. Okay, but you see these little flower things? Here's what we're gonna do with those. Basically, we're gonna cut those out, because if I have flowers on my scooter, and those really aren't even flowers, it's like a tree branch, but it's too close to flowers. So we're gonna cut these out, and I think we have enough room just from here to here to use these as just grip tape. I haven't done this one yet. I've actually wanted to do this for a very long time, but I haven't found anything that was gonna work that well, that sized correctly well. This, I can literally just cut it. It's not glass. If I was to use glass, obviously it would just break. I would make a huge mess at the skate park or wherever we do this, and it would just be a big issue. So basically what we're doing is we're gonna cut this right now, so and hope that this works. It's got like all this really sticky stuff on the back too, so it'll just stick directly to my scooter so we can size it. I'm excited. Oh, it is glass. Okay, well, it is some kind of glass, but oh boy.
Once again.
Whoa, that was scary.
Yeah, that face
Oh
would
my
scare
God.
me too. Let me tell you, that face is sketch. That looked pretty good though, huh?
Yeah, that actually looks pretty good. Did you
Careful
super
with your
glue?
hand right here. There's one really sharp part right here, so be really careful when
What
you're
is
holding
this,
it.
glass?
No, it's like, be careful, dude. It's like a bendy. It kind of is glass. It's like some kind of a plastic though. It's like plastic, but it's sharp and will cut your hand.
Do you want to come over for dinner tonight?
That was really random, but yes. What are you having for dinner?
Steak.
I will be there.
I think this is sick.
Show them like let's show them how mirrored it is. Bring it over here.
Oh my gosh.
That's super mirrored, dude. Like, you guys could totally see Patrick. You could see me if I was to go like this. I think you can see me. Yeah, you can totally see me. That worked out really good. Now we need to get a thumbnail before we ride this thing, because there's no way that once we step on this, don't step on it,
I'm not going to.
that it's gonna look very good at all. I don't even know if that's gonna really last without snapping or cracking or whatever. I really hope that it doesn't crack. If it does crack at the skate park, we're gonna have to call up, because if we get glass all over the place, it's just that's not good. I'm gonna look like that guy. Steve already looks like that guy.
I am that guy.
He is that guy. Okay, so we are here at the park. The grip tape, I wouldn't even really call this grip tape. The stuff looks pretty good. The sun is going down here soon. Adrian's here. If that sun goes down before we're done filming, this whole mirror thing is gonna look weird. So Steve's putting his camera in the car right now, and then we're gonna come over and then we're gonna try riding this thing. Hopefully this thing doesn't break. If it doesn't shatter, we'll be good. But if it starts to crack and just kind of pieces start to fly all over the place, we're probably gonna have to call it quits. But let's try riding this thing. What do you think? Do you think this is gonna snap really quick? Like, is it gonna start? I think it's gonna start to crack quick. This is sketch though.
That is kind of sketchy. Finger whip?
I'm not finger whipping. Hell no. I'm gonna lose a finger. We'll start with stuff that doesn't require your feet coming off first. So we'll do like, I don't know. We'll make something up.
He said he's gonna 180 bar up and then, I don't know, something into the bank.
Oh, it's slippery. It's so slippery, dude.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like, hey Justin, I'm gonna leave soon.
Oh. Is that double?
Yeah. Whips aren't that bad though. You wanna try it?
Yeah.
Get something on the ledge.
On the ledge?
Yeah. Oh, you hit on the way up. So we just played a game of scoot on Steve's scooter. Steve's bars are a lot bigger than mine. So as soon as he gets onto my little scoot, things start to fall apart very quickly.
That kind of scared me.
You got it, though.
I flashed back to the Tanner Fox scooter, dude. They know what I mean.
If you guys want to check out Steve and my game of scoot on his scooter, go check it out on his channel. It will be in the description below. Oh, bro.
I suck at front threes on this, but I got it right now.
You're doing 3 heel. It's because it's so slippery.
It's because I'm only used to filming bangers, because you know the grip.
Oh yeah, because Steve normally he's trying to do feeble and then front triple heel out, but like front side 3 triple heel out, because it's like this and we only want him to do 3. It's hard for him. It's tough.
They know.
Hey, the struggle is real. That's why we call him Struggle Steve, because he always wants to do things that are above and beyond. Do it, just do it.
Ready for this really quick 180 Bri?
Yeah, 180 Brian, then feeble front 3.
Yeah.
Feeble front 3. Feeble front 3. Front 3. Oh, you almost killed your boy. 3.
Dude, I keep getting snaked.
Oh, dude.
Oh my god! It's getting so frustrating.
I'm gonna be a scooter kid right now. I'm gonna stand directly in the middle of the skate park so that nobody can snake Steve, because everybody seems to like to snake him right now. So you got it right now. All right, we're moving on to a different trick, dude. This is gonna just make Steve self-destruct.
One more try, please.
Okay, another one.
I tripped over your scooter.
No. Yeah, now what the problem is.
Oh gosh. I've never done a trick with glasses on.
It's a little dark right now for glasses. It's probably not necessary, but you look better.
Do I?
Yeah.
Oh, the glasses moved. God, dude.
You wanna move on?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll move on, dude.
Oh, it's so frustrating.
Do a triple whip.
Okay. Into the bank?
Into the bank. Oh, I think I might have heard some kind of a crumble.
Did you? I don't know, dude. It's pretty good.
Yeah,
like
a little bit right there. A little bit, but we're still going. We're still good.
I kind of like it.
Let me flare.
Okay.
It's like flaring without grip tape whatsoever.
Oh!
My glasses fell off. Hang on, I want to get.
Oh yeah.
Oh God!
Go!
I hooked that one so hard. my feet slipped off as soon as I landed on heel.
Dude, I don't know how you did the heel. You guys all have to like the video of Raymond lands this right now. Look how sweaty my arms are. That's gross. I'm putting that thing down now. Oh, get it. That was so good.
Dude, I still hucked that one so hard.
That was so good
It
though.
was like flipping. It was like, huh.
All right, we need to do another trick. I think you need it down now. Ooh. Ooh. Hit another thing.
Oh dang it.
Oh, something up the thing.
Oh God. Oh God.
Oh. Dude, it is crazy today. Oh! Hey! Oh my gosh! That was so
It was
good.
a little tough on that one.
That was so good. Comp run? Nice little comp run. Alright, bro. Well, what else is there to do?
Alright. We gotta get just a normal flip, and we'll do it out of the little quarter over into where everybody else is standing, because I wanna be that guy right now.
Yeah?
I'm just gonna land on everybody.
Superstar?
Yeah. I'm gonna act like I have a lot of followers on Instagram or something.
Alright, just say, go over to them and just say, move. I have a lot of followers.
Yeah.
Do it right now. Alright, everyone move! He's about to come through! He has a lot of followers on Instagram! He's famous! He needs this whole thing! You got it, bro!
You're stupid.
Honestly, I'm so scared.
So dumb.
I feel like I'm about to get jumped right now. Like,
Oh, yeah, everybody's staring at you.
whoa! Okay, bro. That was tight.
I'm acting like I got a lot of followers on Instagram or something.
Dude, that was so funny.
Hey, buddy.
That was so funny.
Move, everyone! You just start screaming. Steve just came out and he said he's gonna flare on the deep end of the bowl.
What?
That's what you said, dude.
I don't got a lot of followers on Instagram.
Yeah, dude, you got a lot of followers on Twitter.
Oh, you're right.
See?
Verified
You're
it. Verified life.
Hashtag get me verified.
Dude, I got you.
I'm gonna start the trend. Get me verified.
Okay.
Oh, he's sussing it out, mate. He's about to double flare. Ray, what you got, Ray?
Come on, Raymond.
Hashtag skateboard tricks. Yo, it's Tony Hawk. Yo, you guys, we got Tony Hawk. Oh, You're super Tony Hawk. I'm just gonna call you Birdhouse from now on.
Oh, dude, this is scary because the deck's...
Yo, Birdhouse is supporting you right now.
All right, ready?
Sit out.
Tony Hawk is watching. Oh, he's in.
Yeah, he's in.
But you lost the flamingo hat.
Yo, I got it.
Due to the lossage of flamingo hat, you fail. That's a big fat F. F minus. So what you got right now, mate?
All right, so I just learned how to do this yesterday. So I'm gonna hand play it from the corner to the bank. That'd be cool. But
ready.
dude, dang it.
What?
I don't have room. Everyone!
He's got a lot of followers on Twitter.
I got a lot of followers on Twitter. Jeez, dude, I got
Everybody move. We're literally talking to 2 people.
I got it.
Watch out.
What?
Back
Go,
up.
Go, 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 go. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, go, go. Oh, go. Keep going. Wait, you left something.
Wait, stop. Don't go in the street.
You left something. Y'all can't
I'm
handle
ready
it.
for this. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, bro. Y'all,
You better not lose a flamingo hat.
y'all can handle
You better
this.
keep the flamingo hat. You better tie this thing up.
Oh yeah, bro. Got my back? Thanks, bro. Thanks,
You're in.
thanks, bro.
It's a little wet though.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
Yo, I got your back.
Okay, yeah.
Instagram and Twitter, we stick together.
Straight flexing.
Oh, trendy. Oh! Yo, that's trendy. Nice trendy fidget. That was more trendy than the fidget spinner. Flare. Oh, dang it.
Oh my!
Oh, God. Give me knuckles.
Twice.
My man. Hey, that was awfully close. You almost had charges.
I know.
Are we out of here? Are we done? I think
done.
we're pretty successful in this. It literally only cracked. Will you pick this up real quick?
Yeah.
You hold this so I can point at it.
Yeah.
It only like started to crack in like a couple spots. This is a scratch. It's not a crack, but hang on. Let me focus in a little bit. So it's these two little spots where it's kind of dirty. Those are a couple cracks. That's a small crack that wasn't there before, and this was just like where we split it. But this little piece right here, this little sketch piece, that never broke off.
Yeah.
So I feel like that's a good sign. You're blurry, but
Yeah.
give me knuckles. Now we're gonna go. Are we gonna go get food?
Yeah, I'm down. Do you want to go get chocolate milk?
What time is it?
I don't know.
4 minutes till 8.
Oh,
Can we make it?
we'll try to make it.
I don't know how.
Goodness, I don't know how we just did that. We literally made it here in like 3 minutes. I'm getting the big one. I'm celebrating on that one. Should we get some for Garrett and his mom?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We made it.
I owe you chocolate milk. Yeah.
Have a good day. Thank you. We weren't sure if you guys were gonna make it, so we got your back.
Thank you, Raymond.
Give it to your mom.
Okay, thank you.
You got it. We really didn't know if you were gonna make it, so we.
I have to buy 2. I would have just taken a sip of his.
No, it's too late. You can't just take. Here's the thing. You can't just take a sip of the dairy chocolate milk.
I can't?
You can't. It's impossible. It's like taking one potato chip. It doesn't happen. Enjoy. They are chocolate milk virgins. They're the dairy chocolate milk virgins. So we're hooking them up right now. So now we're going to the ultimate, the amazing, the orange, the spicy, the hot, the hot.
I thought we were going to my house.
Oh, we're going to Steve's house. All right, so I'm back at my house right now. I actually did not end up going to Steve's house. I just got really tired, and I knew that I have a lot of editing, and I have a lot of stuff to do online that I have to get finished. So, back at the pad right now. I'm hanging out with Marley tonight. Marley, come here. Hey, there she is. You haven't seen Marley in a little while, but I'm pretty much gonna call it a night. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. I'm very excited to be back and kind of doing these kind of weird scooter, I guess, projects. They're a great time. They're very different. It's something new that I can do every single day, and every day is just a little bit different. So I don't really know what the outcome is gonna be, and sometimes that's really fun and it serves for a funny video, but I'm out. Later.